In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage multiple companies and branches in Zoho Books. We'll start by signing in to Zoho Books. Once you log into your account, you'll be at your main dashboard, where you can begin organizing the different businesses you want to manage. This is especially useful if you handle bookkeeping for more than one company or need to separate records clearly for different operations. Next, click your organization name and open the Organizations page. This is the area where Zoho Books lets you view all the companies connected to your account in one place. Think of it as your central control panel for moving between businesses. To add a new company, click New Organization. This will open the setup form for creating another company inside Zoho Books. Here, enter the company details and complete the information requested to create the organization. Take a moment to review what you enter, so each company is clearly labeled and easy to recognize later, especially if you'll be managing several at once. Once the company has been created, you can access it by clicking Go to Organization for the one you want to work in. Zoho Books will then open that specific company, allowing you to manage its transactions, settings, and records separately from your other organizations. Whenever you need to switch between companies, just return to the Organizations page and select a different organization. This makes it easy to move back and forth without mixing up data between businesses. Now, if you want to manage branches inside one of those companies, open that company first and click the settings icon. From there, go to Organization and select Locations. This section is where you can create and manage branches or operational locations for that company. Click New Location to create a branch. Then enter the branch details, including the branch name and address. It's a good idea to use clear names so each location is easy to identify when you're working with reports or transactions. After entering the information, click Save. Your branch will now be added to that company. If you have more than one branch to set up, simply repeat the same process for each additional location you want to include. Once your branches are in place, you can start using them in transactions. When creating a transaction, select the appropriate location so the record is tied to the correct branch. This helps keep your financial data organized and makes branch-level tracking much easier. That's how to manage multiple companies and branches in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching.